If you can hear me, clap twice. If you can hear me, be silent. Hey, be quiet. Okay. Let's see. We are live, so everything you can say or hear is going to be in the permanent record. Let's talk about how you can tag these images if you've never done it before, ever. So we're in Yearbook Avenue. Our job number is still 14575. What you'll do, once I give you this document that you guys did with all the circles and stuff, it's got every page that you guys worked on in order. So if I go to create and then I go to image library upgrade, we're going to go to the same place that you found all the senior photos in. So it's going to be, once it decides to load. Okay. I'm still in gallery mode because this is the last folder I had open. So we go to portraits and then senior submitted pics. Okay, let me grab my PDF real fast. It was this one. Yes, it was. Hold on, it's downloading. I thought it was present. Okay, so what I did, if it would open, it'd be awesome. My computer's being not nice right now. Okay, perfect. Here we go. So I scanned the entire document and whoever did it, so this is Nick's up first because Nick had page 1. I'm going to look through here and find the ones that are, because I wrote a key, the check marks are present. Let's start with Rydar, I don't know how to say that, Agason. So you're going to find Rydar's senior picture in the list somewhere. We'll try searching for his name. Okay. Anyway. Let's use Aislinn as an example because I know her face easily. Let's see. So we're scrolling through here. Circled is missing. I put the names or you put your names on there. So if you're curious about what one or the other person did, you can go talk to them and ask, hey, what does this mean? All right, so let's go. I wish these guys had actual names here. Now we're just going to search. Okay, so let's go to Matthew's page. I'm looking for Varun Jayanth. So let's see if I can find that like this. There we go. All right, so by searching for the name of Varun, I get the ID picture and the submitted senior picture. So you're going to double click on the submitted senior picture. Okay, it's going to automatically recognize that there's a face here. If it doesn't, you can click and drag. You can click and drag a face. If it doesn't work on your computer, let me know. We'll figure out why. All right, and then you type in the name because it's going to have all of the Skyline students in the database here. This is Varun Jayanth, just to double check. So I'm going to type Varun, and then we have right there, you click OK, and then you click done. And that's all you guys are doing, going through this document and assigning the senior pictures that have been submitted to their Canvas picture, or not their Canvas, excuse me, their ID picture, their school photographer picture. And now when we double click on Varun's senior picture, it's going to say that this is tagged as Varun Jayanth. Okay. This is boring, but the purpose of this is to make it a lot easier for us to flow the senior pictures, and then we don't have to put them in manually because they'll have the database access that we need for it to function really quickly. So that's what you guys are doing for today. Once I disperse this PDF out to y'all, you'll have I'll have digital access to it. What you another thing I want to talk about before I let you guys start doing that. You're tagging the for sure seniors, and I'm going to put out a template email for the ones that you're not sure on. So like if we look at, we couldn't find Tanya Janes, we couldn't find Lauren Jevons, or we couldn't find Sam Jevons, right? You're going to send this template email to those addresses and be like, hey, did you submit a senior picture? If so, which one was it? And then we're going to work backwards from what they give us, so we can tag them at a later date. Does that make sense? If you know for sure, tag them in Jostens. If you don't know for sure, send them the template email. If you have extra time after that, because I imagine it's going to take a little bit for us to do all that, then keep working on your deadline 2 pages, your deadline 3 pages. We'll figure it out from there. Okay? Does anybody have any questions on what we're doing today? Yes.
So what are we supposed to tag them about? Or how do we tag them?
I'll show you, because you tag their names based on the senior photo they've submitted off of that document that we did on Tuesday, where you circled them if they were there. Now you're just attaching the names together. Okay, any other questions? We good? All right, cool. Let me get that PDF delivered out, and the rest of the time is yours to tag.